I want to give a huge shout out to Nat Motorsports for getting this package out to me very quickly. These are the last couple parts needed to get my engine put together. This right here is a cast impeller water pump. These are much better than what's currently on the market now, so if you need something that's going to be strong enough for your engine, this is something that I would recommend. This piece right here is going to go to the front of the engine, and it's going to be the one that goes into my turbo for the coolant. Thanks again, Nat Motorsports.